Hello guys, welcome to my presentation. My name is Rosa Dilawar Sheikh and my college name is Vivekanand College Kolhapur Autonomous, and my presentation subject is language variations. Language variation is a very interesting and important topic. Language variations means भाषेतील भिन्नता. Variation is a characteristics of language. Then first slide is what is a language. Okay, there are some definitions of language. First is the system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of particular country. Then second is the system of sound and writing that human beings use to express their thoughts, ideas and feelings. Third one is language is a system of communication, a medium for thought and social interaction. So language allows us to share our ideas, thoughts and feelings with others. Language is used to reason, to express ideas, argue a point, provide directions and much more. Language is one of the most fundamentally characteristics of the faculties of humankind. Then another slide is characteristics of language. Then the 5 fundamental characteristics of language. First is cultural relevance, second is symbolism, third is flexibility, fourth is variation and fifth is social importance. Means first one is cultural relevance means सामाजिक प्रासंगिकता. Symbolism means प्रतीकवाद. Flexibility means लवचिकता. Variation means भिन्नता, फरक. Social importance means सामाजिक महत्व. Language is an inherent tool for social interaction, a system that human beings rely on to socialize and social bonds with others. Then next slide is language variation. Language variation is a characteristics of language. There is more than one way of saying the same thing. Speakers may vary pronunciation, word choice or morphology and syntax. Second one is language variation is a core concept in sociolinguistics. All aspects of language including phonemes, morphemes, syntactic structure and meanings are subject to variation. The term linguistic variation or simply variation refers to regional, social or contextual differences in the way that a particular language is used. Variation between languages, dialect speakers is known as interspeaker variation. All aspects of language including phonemes, morphemes, syntactic structure and meaning are subject to variation. Variation study how a language changes by observing it. So next slide is type of language variation. It's very important because first is linguistic and second is socio-linguistic. Linguistic is central to the study of the language forms used in natural text without being confronted with the issue of linguistic variability. And second one is socio-linguistic is the study of language in society. It is primarily concerned with the type of accents people use and most importantly the reason why they choose to use one rather than another. Socio-linguistic is the study of language in society. It is primarily concerned with the type of accents people use and most importantly the reason why they choose to use one rather than another. So is the study of way language varies. See also article on dialectology and changes. See historical linguistic. Then next slide is there are language variation. There are language variation pie chart, regional, social or contextual differences in the way that a particular language is used. Some important terminology First is idiolect, second is dialect, third one is language variety, and fourth one is internal variation. First one is idiolect. Is the speech of an individual considered as a linguistic pattern unique among speakers of his or her language dialect. A idiolect is a variety of a language unique to an individual. Second one is dialect. Language variety spoken by a speech community that is characterized by systematic features. Example, phonological, grammatical. Okay, then language variety. Language variety refers to the various forms of language triggered by social factors. And last one is internal variation. According to standard in sociolinguistic testing, mutual intelligibility between closely related speech varieties in one important way of finding out whether the varieties are to be treated as dialects of the same language or as languages. Then in this presentation, end of this presentation, in my conclusion is